Hello and welcome to morphymail.com. In this video I am going to show you how you can use ESP filter to split your email lists into various ESPs so that you can send emails to different ESPs separately according to the limits set by different ESPs like Gmail, Yahoo, Google, Gmail, etc. So first of all, take morphymail.com website and go to the sign in to morphymail.com with Google, and then I am going to sign in. So here on the left side you see the ESP filter. Now you can choose the file. You can select your email list and upload, and then click on start task. You can see that it is very fast. It is lightning fast. Your email list got split up into different ESPs like Gmail, Hotmail, Yahoo, Office 365, iCloud, Yandex. There are different ESPs. Proton Mail. Using the Morphy Mail cold email suite, you can send only 1000 emails per day to Gmail, 1000 emails per day to Hotmail, 1000 emails per day to Yahoo, and 1000 emails per day to Office 365. But you can send 36,000 emails every day to other ESPs, others. You can download the other ESPs by clicking here. Download emails as CSV. You can send 36,000 emails every day to other ESPs. So this is how you use the ESP filter. And the reason that we have introduced the ESP filter is that different ESPs like Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, etc. have different policies regarding the number of emails they can send. We can send to their email systems. If you send more than that emails per day to their systems, your emails will get blocked. That is the reason that we have introduced this ESP filter into the Morphy Mail cold email suite. Hope you like this video. Thank you.